I'm going to show you how to insert a hyperlink in your HTML web page in Notepad. The hyperlink tag is actually part of the anchor tag. An anchor tag always has a second part. For this one, it's going to be the href, which stands for hyperlink reference. That, kind of like an image tag, is going to equal something. Now we have two types of hyperlink tags. I'll put in some code for this. We've got a relative hyperlink, and then we have an absolute hyperlink. Relative hyperlinks refer to links within pages that are often stored on a local drive. An absolute hyperlink is one that's stored on usually the internet or a server as a URL, which is the universal resource locator or your address bar. For a relative link, I've got my document over here. I'm going to make a new document and link it to copy.html. To do that, my hyperlink, as long as I'm saving it in the same folder, is just going to be copy.html. Then we have to tell it what to link to, or what the user is going to click on is probably a better way to say it. So we're just going to say coffee and then close that tag. Okay, let's see how this works. File, save as, call it hyperlink test.html, all files, and save. Okay. If I open that folder, I've got relative hyperlink. If I click coffee, it takes me to the page we made earlier. It's got the coffee. All right, let's do an absolute link. To do that, we're going to need to know what the address bar is, or what the URL is, whichever way you want to say it. So we're going to go to my tried and trusty Starbucks. It's close to Halloween, so everybody's going to be zombie frappuccino. Okay, I copied that. And down here, I'm going to add another href equals, and that's going to be the Starbucks link. Okay, and again, double quotes to finish it off. And we're going to say go to Starbucks with another closing A. Okay, let's save that again really quick. Save as. Save some of the info. Remember to go to all files if you're using Notepad. Save, do you want to replace? Sure do. Hyperlink test. Okay, so copy takes us to coffee. That's our relative hyperlink. You can see it up here. It's stored on my desktop in the web pages folder. But if I want to go to Starbucks, it takes us to the Starbucks webpage. Excellent. Now remember, whatever you decide to put in for your words here between the ending of your opening href tag is what the user is going to see. You could change this to click here, get coffee. That's often how some of the phony phishing scams are done, is they make it look like one thing and it sends you to the wrong place. If I want to put an image tag in here, I could go and get rid of the text and put an image tag. Let's say coffee. I should insert that image tag. Let's see how that works. File, save as, all files. Save. Okay, so there's my coffee hyperlink. Here's my link that goes to Starbucks. Now, if you want to know where a link goes, when you hover over it, down here, it shows you in your browser. See how that starbucks.com pops up when I link over it and then it goes away? That kind of lets you know where it goes. Sure enough, it takes us there. Okay, that's it. Remember, this is easy and you can do it. Have fun.